The audience, I think, is willing to hear a few words from our National President, National Human Rights Justice Commission, Dr. Akhilesh Kumar sir. I would like to request him to come and
Thank you, sir. Mr. D.R. Maurya, sir. Thanks for inviting me. Today, the 10th December, as a very precious and sacred day for us. I would like to start in one line that a small, we can say a mini India over here in this hall today. We all from north, south, east, west, and certain part of India. There is some language barriers, so it was very difficult to organize the things. In spite of that, we are trying our best. आज का यह दिन सिर्फ कैलेंडर की एक तारीख नहीं है, बल्कि मानवता की पुकार है, एक ह्यूमैनिटी का कॉल है, जो हमें याद दिलाती है कि न्याय केवल दस्तावेजों में नहीं, बल्कि हमारे दिलों में दिखा जाना चाहिए. With these few words in English, again, because I am trying to speak in English, in the Hindi plus English, so that the maximum of our people can understand what I am saying and what are the things have to be done. Respected guests, honorable chief guests, honorable all dignitaries, and my dear NHRJC family, परम सम्मानित हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि, सभी सम्मानित आज के गेस्ट और हमारा नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स जस्टिस कमीशन का परिवार, आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत इस मंच से मैं आज कर रहा हूँ. टुडे आई स्टैंड बिफोर यू नॉट एज अ नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ NHRJC but as a human being, as your fellow member. I would like to say that my heart is very heavy, that I can't explain in words. And that is not because of any sorrow, that is because of those pains who are, we all of us carrying and respecting, addressing, just living after our pains, our own pains. I'm really proud to be part of the system. हम सभी लोग मिलकर के ऐसे पीड़ित लोगों का दर्द बांटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जो सोसाइटी में कहीं से भी टॉर्चर किया जा रहा है, जिनका एक्सटॉर्शन हो रहा है. ये हमारे जितने फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं आज यहाँ बैठे हुए या जो नहीं आ सके कुछ सिस्टम की वजह से, जो नेशनल लेवल पर क्राइसिस अभी हुआ, ट्रेवलिंग कन्वेंस, I'm talking about the respected conveyance. So many of our members were trying to come over today, but they were not able because of cancellation of flights and so many things are there. So I would like to extend my heartfelt message to them also by taking the opportunity of today's 10th December or this convention. Every 10th December is a special day, but today is a little bit different. वैसे तो हर 10 दिसंबर बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होता है हम सभी लोगों के लिए, जो मानवतावादी लोग हैं, those who believe in humanity, for them it is really what to say sacred और पवित्र दिन है हमारे लिए आज का, जो ह्यूमैनिटी में बिलीव करते हैं, मानवता में बिलीव करते हैं. लेकिन आज का दिन थोड़ा अलग है, इसलिए कि हमारे जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं, ये मानवतावादी विचार, हम सभी लोग जो यहाँ बैठे हैं, we are not only a people but a sensitive and humanity-filled hearts. We are beating for each other and especially for those who are really suffering in today's society. हम उन लोगों के लिए ज़्यादा फिक्रमंद हैं जो आज की सोसाइटी में परेशान हैं. वो हमारे पड़ोस में हो सकते हैं, वो महिलाएं हो सकती हैं, वो बच्चे हो सकते हैं. Everywhere atrocities are going on. So we are dedicated for those people, help for them, and that's why time to time we are organizing such type of conferences, seminars, some teachings or weekly training classes. It's continuously going on every Saturday. Especially, I'm trying to remind our chief guest that we all, Mr. Gupta ji, Manvan Tony, and every members are sitting every Saturday at 4 p.m. and the cadet classes about human rights. Though Advocate Gopal Kumar sir is not here, but he used usually to take the classes. Ma'am Gopal Kumar, she is by our side. She used to take the classes and teaching about our articles, our fundamental rights. Me myself sometimes used to do some help to our people, because without guidance, without knowing what is human rights, how we can defend the sufferers, it is not possible. So we are trying in this way so that we can train our people how to and where to protect their self also, because there are some crises for human rights defenders also. So we are, Mr. Dil Kumar sir is sitting over here. So we all are trying to teach our members so that in a better way we can serve our society, or we can simultaneously help the systems. Many of the things they are not able to do, and at that place we are very easily approached. We all people as a member, and we can help, and we are having the help. So in this way, the journey of this human rights convention or this shortcomings, we are trying to help all of sufferings. So many of our sleepless nights, because so many people calls. One member I was expecting to come over here. He is a doctor at UP, and he continuously trying to call. I think for 1 week, day and night, police were trying to for extortion. They were trying to harass his family, his eldest son, and so many things were there that were totally illegal. He was totally upset about it. So many stories are there. We'll discuss later on. But at that time, we really feel very sorry for the system and for ourselves, that we are not doing better for our society, being an educated and qualified person. So, being a doctor also, I used to spare some time for our society and try to address all these things with the help of all of us, our team members. So this is not a shortcut. Human rights journey is not shortcut. There are so many things we usually face when we are going to help someone. I think sir is better knowing because he was already in human rights. So कहीं न कहीं आज के दिन में ये देखा जाता है कि जहाँ कहीं भी हमारे ह्यूमन राइट मेंबर्स हैं, वहाँ पर जब कभी बच्चों के साथ कोई अन्याय होता है, whenever childs are suffering in the form of child labor or human trafficking, drug abuses, so many things are there. और जब हमारे ह्यूमन राइट डिफेंडर्स वहाँ पर खड़े होते हैं उनके साथ, तो हमारे होने का मतलब होता है meaning of being us over there. And everything we think, जितनी भी चीज़ें छोटी मोटी चीज़ें हमने अभी डिस्कस करी, जब हम इन चीज़ों के बारे में सोचते हैं तो आंखें नम हो जाती हैं, क्योंकि सब जगह हम पहुंच नहीं पा रहे हैं. We are not reaching everywhere. Many of our fellow members, fellow citizens are suffering from this type of crisis. So आज के इस पवित्र दिन जो 10 दिसंबर है ह्यूमन राइट का, we are really feel very happy that we are together here. It is not a formality to welcome all of you, but it is my due respect and emotions and gratitude. हमें लगता है कि हम सभी लोग मिलकर के देश के कोने कोने तक पहुंचे, कोई भी ऐसा डार्केस्ट कॉर्नर बच न जाए जहां हम पहुंच न पाए एज ए ह्यूमन राइट डिफेंडर। जाकर के अगर एक भी लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो तब तक हमारा मिशन कंप्लीट नहीं है। वी फील अनफिनिश्ड एट दैट मोमेंट आल्सो। सो टुडे लेट अस बिगिन नॉट ओनली ए कॉन्फ्रेंस। आज के दिन हम एक कॉन्फ्रेंस स्टार्ट करने नहीं जा रहे हैं, बल्कि अभी थिंक commitment about to share the resolve to united place, and that is as long as single person is suffering from injustice, this journey will be continued. With a folded hand and full of heart, I welcome all of you to this 10th December International Human Rights Day, and for the second conference of इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट जस्टिस कमीशन। मैं आज सभी लोगों को अपने तरफ से, टीम की तरफ से, नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट जस्टिस कमीशन की तरफ से हाथ जोड़कर आज के दिन आने के लिए स्वागत करता हूँ और विनम्र आग्रह करता हूँ कि आप जुड़े रहें, लोगों को ह्यूमन राइट के बारे में हम सभी लोग अवेयर करें। मुझे लगता है कि आपसे झुक कर जो मिलता होगा उसका कद आपसे कहीं ज़्यादा ऊंचा। तो इस सिंपल से 2 वर्ड्स को अगर हम याद रखें तो हम सबका रिस्पेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं और सबकी डिग्निटी को मेंटेन भी कर सकते हैं अपने साथ साथ। आज हम फिर से प्रण लेते हैं, जहाँ कहीं भी अन्याय होगा हमारे कदम वहां से तक गुजरेंगे। जब तक आखिरी आवाज को न्याय नहीं मिलता हमारा सफर अधूरा रहेगा। करुणा को अपना धर्म, न्याय को अपना कर्तव्य और मानवता को अपना राष्ट्र मानकर आइए हम इस पवित्र यात्रा को आगे बढ़ाएं। यही हमारी पहचान है और यही हमारा प्रण है। So thank you very much, and our special slogan for National Human Rights Justice Commission is Jai Vigyan, Jai Samvidhan, because we are from different religion, different caste, different faith. So if we start chanting Jai Shri Ram, Namo Buddhaya, Assalamu Alaikum, Namaskar, it's endless. So without disturbing anyone's faith, it is our slogan Jai Vigyan, Jai Samvidhan, because our constitution is giving the rights to enjoy our religion, faith and everything. So again and lastly, Jai Vigyan, Jai Samvidhan. Thank you.